So, hello guys, good morning. Kumusta na kayo dyan guys? Kumusta ang morning nyo dyan guys? So, ayun tayo guys, ang morning natin update guys. Nakapagligo na tayo. So, feeling fresh na din tayo guys. O, diba? So, yun guys, mabango na si Inday Joanne. So, feeling fresh na ang morning natin. So, we have a good smile na guys. O. So, I hope you have your morning, guys. It's great din dyan, guys. Have a good morning. So, have a good sleep to all and everyone. So, good morning to all of us. So, we have, guys? Coffee pa tayo, guys. So, we have a breakfast. Sarap naman ng coffee ko ngayon. I feel. So, kain tayo, guys. Meron tayong maagang blessings na tanggap. O, diba? Maaga ang blessings natin, guys. So, let's have it. Yummy naman din. Thank you so much sa blessings nating maaga, guys. O, diba? Yummy, yummy. Kumusta kayo dyan, guys? Kumusta ang araw niyo dyan? I hope na nakapag-breakfast na din kayo dyan o merienda o coffee. Yummy, guys. Kain tayo. Thank you so much. Let's have it. Kain tayo, guys. Kain, guys. So, mag-breakfast na din kayo dyan, guys. Ang kuko ko, guys, oh. Medyo may ano pa, oh. Huwag nyo na pansinin tong kuko ko, guys. Nag-itim. Nag-ano kasi ako kanina ng carbon, guys. Di ba matanggal-tanggal ka agad? So, yun lang. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless to us. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Bye.